welcome back to the course of Machine Learning Zero to Hero. I'm super excited to have you on board, and today I'm going to show you how to install Python onto your machine. Doesn't matter whether you have a Mac or a Windows PC, the process is very similar, so let's get straight to it. First of all, you will want to open the browser and try to find in the Google Anaconda Python, and you will find this page. So you just can click here, or you also can type the address on the address bar for anaconda.com/distribution, and you will find this page as well. Okay, so you scroll down to the bottom, then you will find these download options. So make sure what kind of machine that you use. If you use the Mac OS, you can click the Mac OS here or Linux here. I'm using Windows, so I'm click Windows here. Okay, and then make sure you download the Python 3.7 version for this course. And just click this download. And if you use the 32-bit machine, so you download using this link. Okay, so I click download button here, and then you save wherever you want. Okay, it will take a while because I already have this installer in my machine, so I will skip this one. Okay, and open this one. Okay, cool. Right, so I double click the installer to install the Anaconda 3, and then click next. Okay, if you want to read the license agreement, so you can read first, and after you read, then you can click agree. And then you can choose just me because it's recommended. And then okay, so for destination folder, currently I already have the Anaconda in this folder. So if I click this, there's a warning that say that the directory is not empty. So I need to choose the different location for this example. Okay, so I will try to browse the empty folders. For example, let me think about this. Okay, I'm going to do right. Okay, this one maybe it's empty. So yeah, I think it's empty. So I click next. So it will show you some advanced options. So basically in this course we don't need this kind of thing. So you just skip this and then click install. Because I already have it, I will not click this install, and you can pursue by click this install. Okay, cool. After you finish the installing the Anaconda, you can find in here by typing the Anaconda navigator, yeah, like this. So you can click this one, and then it will open the Anaconda navigator. Sometimes in a different machine it will take a while, but it will not longer than 1 minute. It depends on the machine that you use. Alright, the Anaconda navigator is already open. Okay, can just okay, cool. So it's basically the Anaconda navigator interface. So it's very user friendly. Yep. Okay, first of all, I want to create the virtual environment here beforehand. Okay, so what is virtual environment? Okay, I would like to explain very quick what is the virtual environment and why do we need a virtual environment in this course. Alright, so virtual environment is basically a tool that helps to keep dependencies required by different projects separate by creating kind of isolated Python virtual environments for them. This is one of the most important tools that most of Python developers use. But why do we need a virtual environment here? So imagine in a scenario where you are working, for example, on two web-based Python projects, and one of them uses a Django 1.9 and the other uses Django 1.10 or so on. In such situation, virtual environment can be really useful to maintain the dependencies of both the projects. yeah, because of the version. So hopefully you can get the very clear explanation about a virtual environment. So okay, so how to create a virtual environment? It's pretty easy using the Anaconda navigator. So you just go to the environment menu on the left bar, and then basically you can just click create button here, and then you fill the environment name, totally up to you. And here I will make the ML for machine learning underscore 0 underscore 2 underscore 2 hero, and then choose the package is Python, and then pick the 3.7 version, and then click create. Okay, it will take a while, and then you can see the package, all the package is installing here, and once it's done you can see all the libraries pre-installed on the right side. So basically you can customize your libraries, your package. You can update it, remove it, or whatever you want. Right. Okay, so our environment is already done. So you can see these are basically all your package. Okay, so this is the description of all your package. Okay, cool. So we're going back to the home. Okay, so once you're done to create a virtual environment, it will show your environment in here. So every time you want to access your environment, so you just click the drop down button, and then you choose your virtual environment names. For example, this one. Okay, so in this course we need to install the Spyder IDE. So I would like to install the Spyder here by clicking this install button. Okay, so the installation for Spyder is already done, so you can just click launch. Alright, so this is the new version of the Spyder version 4. Okay, so basically you can do writing the code in this window, and then you can monitor the results in the right side window, I mean. Okay, so now I would like to explain how to customize the Spyder IDE. For example, in this case, I'm sorry, beforehand, so in MacBook, the interface of the Spyder is not looks like this. So in MacBook it will look like this. Sorry. Okay. Yep. So one more time. Okay, so basically it's empty. The MacBook is basically empty windows like this. So if you want to activate all the panes like before, so you can just click view panes, and then activate the editor, and then activate the IPython console, and also variable explorer, and then what else? Let's see. Okay. Okay, code analysis. Okay, so yeah, you already activate all the panes. Okay, so I would like to explain how to customize the Spyder IDE. For example, how to increase the font size, and then how to change the color in this IDE. So you can go to the tools, go to preferences, and then go to the appearance, and then okay, so let's see. So this, you can also change the syntax highlighting theme. So you can choose the Spyder dark like this, or you can pick the brighter one like this one. I think I prefer to this one, the brighter one. Okay. Okay, it asked me to restart, so maybe later. Yeah. So the next one, if I want to increase the font size, so you can just increase to, for example, 14, because in this course we need to view the code very intense, so I want to make everyone capture the code very clear. So after all this change, you can just go click apply. Okay, wait for a while. Yep, it asked me to restart, so I will restart the Spyder Ide by clicking yes. Okay, Spyder 4 is showing now. Right. Okay, the appearance is changed. Right. Okay. And now I want to show you how to run this simple code into this IPython console. So you don't have to copy, so you don't have to copy this line and then paste here. But Spyder Ide already give a function. You can just highlight the line, and then by clicking Ctrl plus Enter, you can automatically run this line only into this IPython console, like this. If you want to run the whole line code in this editor, so you just clicking this, the green button. Okay. Yep. Or you can instantly click F5. They are the same. Alright, so congratulations, you've just installed Python onto the machine, and yeah, you will proceed the course with this kind of things, so you also will be ready. But I would like to add one more information. So during this course, I want you to visit this GitHub link. Okay, so you want to visit this URL, github.com/equan12/ml_0_2_0, because I would like to upload all the files, all the code in this GitHub repository. So if you guys feel like there is an error on your code, so you can compare with mine by downloading all the files in here. Or if you don't familiar with the GitHub, I will upload the files into the Google Drive and then put the link into the YouTube description. Okay, that sounds great, right? Cool. Alright, I think this is the end of the introduction chapter for the preparation section. So I look forward to seeing you at the next step. If you have any question, please leave on the comment below, and if you like this channel, please click the subscribe button. All the new course chapter will be released every working day. Hope you guys enjoy it. So enjoy machine learning and see you. Have a good day.